Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
Hello my dear students, today I am going to discuss Finance, Banking and Insurance first part, Chapter 6, Long-Term Finance. Today's topics are related mathematical problems of these chapters. After solutions the mathematical problem, we are unable to answer the following questions. Question number 1. What is zero coupon bond? 2. What is yield to call or YTC? 3. Determine the yield to call or YTC. And number 4. Determine the yield to maturity or YTM. Dear students, let's see the details. Dear students, see the questions. Mr. Riazul has decided to invest in a fixed deposit in Ramna Bank at 12% interest with the proceeds of selling his 25 bonds. The face value of each bond was Taka 2,500 and the yearly interest rate is 12%. The maturity period is 12 years. He sold his bond at Taka 2,800. We require the following questions. Question number A. What is zero coupon bond? Question number B. What is yield to call or YTC? Question number C. Determine yield to call if the bond is called in at Taka 2,600 after 8 years. And require number D. Evaluate the investment decisions of Mr. Riazul on the basis of rate of return at maturity of the bond. Dear students, let's see to the solutions. Solution. Require number A. What is a zero coupon bond? A zero coupon bond is a bond that pays no interest or coupon and trades at a discount to its face value. It is also called a pure discount bond or deep discount bond. The difference between the purchase price of a zero coupon bond and the par value indicates the investor's return. Now, the require number B. What is yield to call? Yield to call or YTC is a financial term that refers to the return a bondholder receives if the bond is held until the call date, which occurs sometimes before it reaches maturity. Yield to call represents the return that one would earn if they held a note or bond until its call date, before the debt instrument matures. In other words, it's the earning you would receive if you held a bond until it was called before it matured. dear students, now we will see the determined yield to call. We know yield to call or YTC equals to I plus CP minus SB divided by N whole divided by CP plus SB by 2 into 100. Given that in the questions face value equals to taka 2500, call price taka 2600, amount of interest equals to face value into coupon rate 13% equal to 325 taka. Call period n equals to 8 years. Now we'll put the value in the formula. I equals to 325 plus CP, that means call price, equals to 2600 minus SB equals to sale price. SB means sale value. Sale value is 2800 and n equals to call period 8 years divided by CP 2600 plus selling price 2800 divided by 2 into 100. $325 minus 2600 minus 2800 divided by 8, then we will found 25 divided by 2600 plus 2800 divided by 2, then we will get the value 2700 into 100. And after calculations, we will find the value 11.11%. This is the YTC of this bond. So my dear students, here yield to call is 11.11%. Now we will determine the rate of return of the bond or YTM. We know YTM or yield to maturity equals to I plus MB minus SB divided by N, MB plus SB divided by 2 into 100. This formula is similar to YTC, just change here CP change in MB, otherwise no change. Given that face value equals to taka 2500, maturity value equals to 2500. When maturity value will not given in the questions, then face value will be the maturity value. Coupon rate is 13%. So the amount of coupon interest, face value into coupon rate equals to taka 325. Market price or sale value equals to taka 2800. And duration 12 years. Now we will put the value in this formula. I equals to, that means amount of coupon 325 plus MB equals to maturity value 2500 minus SB equals to sale value 2800 divided by N, maturity period 12, and MB equals to 2500 plus SB equals to 2800 divided by 2 into 100. Dear students, we calculate, and after calculation we find out the value of yield to maturity is 11.32%. Dear students, this is the value of YTM, 11.32%. Now we will describe the decisions of Mr. Riazul. Decisions: if Mr. Riazul did not sell the bonds, he could earn at 11.32% on it. On the other hand, he has sold his bonds and invested in Ramla Bank at 12%, where the rate of return is more at the maturity of bond. So it was logical that Mr. Riazul sold his bonds and invested in fixed deposit in Ramla Bank, because the return of the Ramla Bank is higher than the return of the bond. Dear students, I hope all are understood how to calculate YTC and how to calculate YTM of a bond. Thank you.